In this video, we are going to show you how to change out your low-loss hose gaskets, step by step. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need for this job. You'll want a pair of snap ring pliers, a non-marring seal remover, and of course the right replacement gaskets. For 1/4 inch hoses, you'll need part number RHGL10. If you're working with 5/16 inch hoses, look for part number RHGLM10. Both come in packs of 10, so you'll have some extras for next time. First, grab your snap ring pliers and locate the 2 holes on the snap ring. Squeeze the pliers to disengage and remove the snap ring. With that out of the way, you can detach the knurled fitting from the assembly. Next, use your seal remover to extract the old gasket from its housing. Once that's out, press the new gasket into place using your non-marring tool. Make sure it's properly aligned and fully seated. Now, slip the knurled fitting back on and reattach the snap ring to secure everything. This part can be a little tricky. You might need to use a flat surface to press the snap ring until it's fully seated against the fitting. Take a moment to make any minor adjustments so everything is lined up just right. Finally, do a quick inspection to make sure all the parts are securely fastened and correctly positioned. And that's it. Your low-loss hose assembly is now ready for operation. Thank you for watching.